Hello everyone, welcome to Code One, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the resizing of window. Let's say while you are doing automation, you need to open a browser in a different size. So also seen one video on a mobile view. How can we open into mobile view? We can set the properties over there. But from in Selenium also we have some options to open it in a different sizes, and the maximum, like you have already seen the maximize command that we generally use. So let's see some of them. So here we have a practice URL, and let's say in this I want to open a browser, and then this browser should be open and as a full screen. Okay, so, and what I mean by full screen, let me show you. If I open this URL on my Chrome browser, then this is a maximize window, and when I press F11 from my keyboard, or not F11, function F11 I guess, yeah, you can see this is called a full screen. Okay, and go back to my normal screen, I can again press function 11, I will back over there. So let's open this browser by default in full screen. So what can I call driver.manage, and from manage interface, this interface will return a option window. So windows dot full screen, you can see the method over here, full screen. So now by default this browser will be open in a full screen. Let's say I'm doing comment here and run it without this command and see what's going on. The browser will open in this size. Okay, this is the default one. And then if I use this full screen, then the browser will open and it will be automatically change into the full size screen. Okay, and yeah, so in this way you can open your browser in a full size or full screen. And let's see some command as the very famous and common is maximize. Okay, how can you do maximum of it? So we can say driver.manage.window and we have a maximize. Okay, also we can use minimize. So let's use this one, driver.manage. Okay, just check the output for this. Similarly we have a minimize, so in that we can do the minimize operation. Okay, okay, sorry, this time first I have to comment this full screen, then run it, so you can easily see the difference. So it's open in default size, and now the window is maximized. But let's say I need to open it in a dynamic size. Dynamic size means some other size. Okay, it can be any, like if I go like this, it can be this size or any size. It can be this size, and I can negate, I can move it here. So how can we do that? Okay, for that, in the same window we have an option like driver.manage.windows.setSize, and this setSize method will take object of a dimension. So let's create an object of dimension and pass, and here we can find the height, we can define the height. So let's say I want to define the height as a 500 pixel and length as a, let's say, 250 pixel. Okay, this is a width and this is a height. So not 250, let's keep it 800, and let's keep it 500 at least, right? Okay, I'm just changing this maximize, commenting this maximize. So now this time the browser will open in a dynamic size. Okay, it's open in a default size but automatically change into the dynamic size that we have set. So in this way you can resize it, and there are only three ways. also you can gauge the size of it. Let's say we have a full screen mode, we have a maximize mode, and we have a dimension dynamic we can pass, so we can achieve any size over there. Also similarly, as we have a set size, also we have a method here, so we can get the current size window that is executing over there. So window dot get size, okay, and this will return current window size. Let me SOP it. This is out and this is the size, and there are two termination. Fine, let's run it. Yeah, it's loaded. Change the size and you can see the size is 8022502 2 pixel. It's taking by its own. So let's say in this case, if I want to get the default path, so there might be a question in an interview. This is a good question, like what is a default path when we don't use any maximize or any you don't use maximize command or any custom size of a window, then by default what is the size? So let's get this. So I'm running it and this is my default size. Okay, so it's 1051, and so you can say 1049 and 798 and 796. You can say 796. So this is the dimension, height and width. Okay, so it's all about the resizing of window. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe Code One and be like for more videos. If you are getting any issues with automation, getting difficulties with your works, you can comment me out. I will try to create a video for that. Thank you.